Stock Pulse here at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2018 in Vancouver, British Columbia, and I've got David Morgan from the Morgan Report, also AKA the Silver Guru. David, always nice to see you.
Rob, thank you. It's nice to be here.
So you're doing a chat on silver today. Rough couple years, dollars under a little pressure here. Metals are starting to look good here. Why don't you kind of break down silver in your view?
Well, we've had a real rough time overall from the peak in 2011. It's been on a slide for some time. 2016 actually built back fairly significantly, and last year, 2017, was pretty flat most of the time. What we do, of course, is we look at the resource sector in total, not just silver. We were first on the zinc story, for example. Now I see some of the other newsletter types are talking about, a zinc shortage. Well, we knew that about 2 years ago. Our primary zinc play has huge silver credits. That stock's already doubled, and normally when we get a double, we do what's called a free ride, which means you sell half of your position, and then you get your original capital back, and then you take the remaining half of that shares and just hold it for further appreciation. So we recommended that to Morgan Report members. We have two really big ones that are speculation, so it's a bet a little, win a lot. One is a technology that will be really changing the industry. I know you hear that all the time, but it's true. And the other one just came out with some drill results, and this is one of those companies that you really have to be patient with. It trades almost by appointment. But they just put out results, and it was like over 20 feet of 50 ounces a ton silver, and zinc, and copper, and lead. So if you do the math, it's like $1,000 per ton rock. And this is very exciting. We haven't seen that kind of result in any of these companies in a very long time. So those are two that we're going to be, are already in the report. This last one I just mentioned is starting to move significantly, and the other newsletter writers will catch up to it sooner or later.
So last couple years been rough. You guys are not only picking silver, you're talking equities. You're doing pretty well here.
Yeah, across the board.
Across the board.
Yeah, personally, I probably made as much money in a Molly stock as I made in any silver company that I've talked about. And one of the misnomers, the reason I branded to the Morgan Report, is that we do all resources except natural gas and oil. So we were first on the rare earth elements, for example, and then we did a white paper on cobalt and lithium. We're thinking about doing a white paper on vanadium. And so, we just look at the resource sector in total, and that's what the Morgan Report's always done, but, I get branded with the silver thing, which is okay. I love that metal. I know a lot about it, but there's a lot more to invest in than just the silver market.
Yeah. So how do people follow you here?
Best thing is get on our free email list. It's a free e-letter. Just go to themorganreport.com. Give me a first name and email address. It's a double opt-in, so you get an email back that says, I'm not a robot, I really want this. You click that and verify, and then you're on board. And then, of course, if you're serious, you can go to themorganreport.com and scroll down to the subscribe button and see there's two memberships. One's a premium and one's a mastermind.
Well, there you have it. The Silver Guru, the AKA Equity Guru, possibly, too. So follow David Morgan. Appreciate the time, David.
Rob, thank you.